Hello, I'm Liji. Welcome to my responsive web application EPay. Today I'm going to show you some functionalities of my application like creating an account, logging in, registering, and adding multiple bank accounts and showing the account balance of the selected bank and transferring money. So this is the onboarding. I'm clicking on the login button. This is the login screen with the username, password. I'm clicking on the login button. It takes me to the home page. It has accounts, transfer, bill pay, wallet. I'm clicking on the accounts and I'm taken to the accounts page. I'm selected a bank, TD bank. It shows the available balance, today's beginning balance, and the pending balance. If I want to see the activity of this particular bank that I have selected, I can click on the activity button and it shows the day, description, and the credit of that particular bank for the last 7 days. Going back, again I went to the accounts page. I want to see the statement for the year 2022. It shows the date statement. Now it's a transfer button. It has send, request, and split. I have enabled only the send button. So send button takes me to the select recipient screen. I have 3 recipients here, SV, Deepa, and Liti. I'm selecting Liti. So it goes to the review page where I'm giving $300. Selected a bank. The details are shown here. And I'm pressing the review button. So shows Liti sending 300. That's correct. So I'm sending the amount. So payment. So I got a confirmation that the payment is sent to Liti. So let's see one more scenario. Sending money to a person is not shown in the recent recipients. So I'm going to the recipients and see whether LIJ, I'm giving it as LIJ is shown here. I cannot see. So I clicked on LIJ and shows that no results were found. So I want to add a new contact. I'm clicking on the new contact. So you can add your contact if like with a phone number, account number, or an email. I'm clicking on the account. Shows 2 fields like account number and the bank name. I'm giving and saving it. So now Liji is saved. And so in the recipients, I can see Liji here. I'm clicking on Liji and I'm sending $300 from the TD bank. I'm reviewing it and sending money to Liji. I got a confirmation that is the payment is sent to Liji. Okay, now let's go to the wallet. Here I can link my credit card or debit card or the bank account to my EPay application. So first let's click on credit or debit card. There's some fields that I have to fill. Select the card type, expiration date, all the fields I have given. I'm pressing save button. So to verify the bank number has been sent to the phone number registered with this EPay. And I got a card ending got a message that added to the EPay wallet. So the second thing is I'm linking a bank account. So the same like account number, routing number, I'm saving it and verifying it. Added to the EPay wallet. So that's the way I'm adding my credit or debit card or the bank account to the EPay wallet. So next the settings. I can update the settings, delete account, log out. I'm pressing update settings. I can update the first name, last name, email. I'm saving it. It got saved. If I want to delete the account, if you don't want to delete it, okay, it goes back. So if I want to delete it, I'm pressing yes and the account deleted. Taken back to the login page. So these are the functionalities I have enabled in my EPay responsive web application. Thank you for watching. Bye.